Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select battery. Now click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and here you should click on battery saver. Now you can quickly activate power saving mode by tapping on this switcher. As you can see, now low power solution is active. You will notice it because of the red line and the upper side of your screen. You can obviously switch off this mode quickly the same way. Then you can also set some rules, so you can pick turn on automatically. You can pick either 5 or 15%, so I will pick, for example, 5% of the battery. And from now on, every time the battery is lower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And that's basically all. This is how you can improve battery life, how you can save power in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.